Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fino's Dream World. Today I am going to desert area for enjoying the weekend. There is long way to go. So this is the desert area. We are eating the ice cream. Now this is the desert area. I'm going to ride the bike. I am riding with my uncle, then I will ride alone. Before is riding with my father. Now I am riding alone. There was sand wind. Now everyone is riding. It is so fun. Now Rifu is with me. Now the sun is set. Now it's evening. Do you like this video? Subscribe, like and share. Bye.